To be eligible for asylum in the U.S., a person must prove they are part of a special group in their country and that they have been persecuted or will be persecuted because they're part of that group in the future. A special group can be related to race, including tribal or ethnic identity, religion, sexual orientation, or association with a political party, labor union, or other similar organization. Persecution is more than mere harassment or mistreatment or even suffering. It needs to be extreme, severe, and serious actual harm that has been experienced or will be experienced in the future. Simple threats without more will not likely be found sufficient. For example, a person will not likely qualify for asylum solely based on the fact that they were the victim of a crime, even if they suffered terribly, unless they're able to prove the suffering was because of their membership in a particular group and it was caused by the government or other similar organization. In order to obtain asylum in the United States, a person generally must submit their application during the first year that they are in the United States under the immigration law. And it's important to note that for any application filed after April of 2005, when the REAL ID Act came into effect, the application should contain documentation that proves the person is eligible for asylum. Good examples of documentation are medical records verifying harm that was suffered, or court records demonstrating an action that the government took against an individual, or records verifying a person's role in their special organization. If a person files for asylum after they have been in the United States for a year, they need to prove that the delay was due to extraordinary circumstances, that their asylum claim was based on a recent change in circumstances, or that they were previously in lawful immigration status that did not require them to apply for asylum. For example, an individual who received TPS their first year in the United States could apply after they have been in the United States for more than 1 year, and their application would likely be accepted. Finally, a person with asylum status is eligible to legally work and live in the United States, and his or her immediate family members may also be eligible for asylum status and all of its benefits, as long as the family relationship was established by the time the application was approved. If you think you may qualify for asylum or another immigration benefit, please call our office at 617-303-006